Hello everybody, welcome back to Lions Family Farms. If you would have seen our previous video, you've seen we had a breakdown last night on the tedder, and I ordered a new part just an hour and a half away, unfortunately. So we rushed, got done milking. It's 6:03 right now. They open at 7:30. So we're gonna fly down there and beat all the other work traffic, because we gotta go right to the big city of Harrisburg. And I don't like getting caught up in traffic. So we're gonna try and get this banged out. I'm going over, well, I'm running Mary Mart's wagon today at a neighboring farm, helping chop, raking hay today, and hopefully baling by this evening. So we got some stuff to get done today. It's gonna be a fun day. So much bugs on my windshield. Well, since Adam's getting that tedder part, I'm gonna get this thing unhooked, hook it up to the spreader, take some calves out and stuff. Okay, we got that all off. We just have to take this quick hitch off and switch the PTO around. Now I told Adam to unhook this rake in the shop so it's out of the way. And I guess he said, no, I do what I want. So now here it is in my road. Children, I tell you what. I saw my best friend down here, so I thought I'd see if you'd want to hang out for a moment. Hey, Scratch. Hey, come here. I just want to be friends. I'll take that as a no. Alright, so I just want to take these two out to the other barn and clean all this pack out of here and then go spread it. Well, I got the bright idea, instead of using the trailer or that box that I just taken through there, out through the barn. It was a bad decision, so it was. We have some stuff here I just can't quite get picked up, so I guess we'll fork it. Alright, we're gonna call this good. Now we can go haul this load out. We're here. I've never been to this mess before, and holy crap, it's huge. There's a lot of equipment here. Didn't expect that. After a 3-hour on the dot round trip back home, let's go fix this tedder. Okay, up to the tedder. Got the new piece. We'll get this back together, fold it up, make sure nothing is hitting. You seen last night, I rigged this so I could do this field. It's pretty sketchy. I mean, this could have got down in the star, and then I would have had bigger troubles, and I'd have been mad at myself for doing that. But I wanted to get the field done. Risk versus reward, I guess you should say. Okay. I should have got the right size. I hate adjustable wrenches, but what are you gonna do? It's chrome, so it's metric. All right. Okay. I'm gonna snap. I put that new piece on it, started to bend it as soon as I pick it up. So I'm gonna use Mary Mark's tedder to get this done. Thanks, Donald.
So we want to ted our hay one more time, and our tedder has some issues yet. So luckily Donnie is going to let us use his, so we can get her nice and dry, get her baled later hopefully. I'll tell you what, I don't even know how to unfold this. Alright, we got her, so we're ready to go. You should be able to tell the difference from what I did do and what I didn't. We flip that bottom side up, get the sun hitting that, and hopefully here in a few hours or so maybe we can think about raking and get this baled yet today. Now we're just waiting for it to get ready so we can start raking. So in the meantime, I'm going to open a door in the haylage silo, which we're only over a week out from chopping. So I'm going to run the blower, run it for like 20 minutes to make sure the gas is out, and hook the baler up, hook the rake up and stuff like that. So just some odds and ends.
My favorite thing about chopping here is the food. Okay. We're raking. Feels good to do this. This is one of my favorite things to do, is raking hay. Ready to get her done. So anyone that's been with us for the last year might remember that
I roll bales into the woods in this field. I think I did the last 2 years in a row, so guess we'll give her another whirl and see what happens. We didn't lose any yet, but they were pretty borderline. Might have to nudge those a little bit with a tractor tire. There we go, that's better. Would hate to come up here tomorrow morning and not find them. Well, we got through that one without rolling any in the woods this time. So we just have this little field here yet, and that's it for this go around. Well, we got that wrapped up. Thought I'd take a pause and just take in my surroundings for a little while before I head on home. I'd play some music for you, but then YouTube would get all butt hurt. Alright, enough nature time. It's time to head on home. Here's what I had left from my last bale. Not quite enough to wrap, so I'm just gonna push it out here, then we can feed it to the heifers.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Subscribe!